Today, we're going to be fixing homemade macaroni and cheese, my style. Get ready and let's do this. Okay, I've got about 3 cups of boiling water. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to add about 1.5 cups of elbow macaroni. And I'm going to cook this al dente style. While this is cooking, let's get started on our cheeses. I'm using some block cheese here. Okay, I'm going to cut this up in small blocks. I'm shredding up some good old Parmesan cheese. Our other cheese is going to be aged Asiago, but it is delicious. I use this cheese a lot. So I'm going to grate some of this, and I want about a half cup. Okay, so on my board, I'm scraping up all this cheese, and that's about a half a cup of this. Some grated Parmesan cheese, and I'm going to use a half a cup of also that. And I'm just going to mix all that up, and we're going to get to cooking this. So let's check our macaroni. I'm going to be adding 1/4 cup of margarine. It's got a little water in it. That's what I want. Okay, I'm using 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. I'm going to mix that heavy cream inside that butter. And I'm going to pour half of a cup of milk in there. Then 1/4 of my famous Mrs. Dash blend seasoning. Okay, that is to smooth out. Now I'm going to add in all those great cheeses, and I'm going to be stirring for a while. And as I'm stirring and getting this creamy, I'm going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of parsley. As I'm smoothing this out, I'm going to add just a little bit more of my milk. See, I add it as I go, as the cheeses keep building up. We're going to stick our macaroni. We're just going to place the macaroni inside here and mixing this all up. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some Parmesan. You know, the Parmesan you get at the store, the powdered kind, but you want the good kind though. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these and we're going to fill these babies up. Hey, I got these on my baking sheet, and you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take some shredded mild cheese on top. These are extra cheesy. And I'm going to sprinkle a little extra cheese on top. All right, guys, look at that. I got these out. They're bubbling. Look at here. Bubbling. They're delicious. They're done. They're ready, and they're going to be delicious. Okay, guys, and here it is, my mac and cheese. And I hope you all enjoy it. I hope you like it, because you know what? Guess what? You and me made this together. We did this together. I love you all, guys. Please share, subscribe, and like to our YouTube channel. Bye.